Hi everyone, it's the first trip into the new workshop. As you can see, we've got a little toilet, small little kitchen area. As this is a joiner's workshop, obviously everything's woodwork based, but hopefully a lot of the tools that carpenters and engineers use we can share together. I must admit, all these woodwork tools, I haven't got a clue what they are, but they look very good, interesting. Big extraction systems for all the sawdust. A little pedestal drilling machine here, which is pretty cool. Another big woodworky thing that I haven't got a clue. What else we got? So we got along here, sort of where I'm going to spend my time. So we got the shaper, the old Myford lathe, and some toolboxes down below. So we've just got all this gear in today, so we just got to now try and sort things out. Looking at the screen, looks like I got the flickering, so that's interesting. Just a quick note to say sorry about the flickering on the video. I mean, there clearly seems to be an issue with the strip lights or the fluorescent tubes and the GoPro. I have seen on one of the other channels that, some comments about that, so that's something I need to look at. As you can see, I turn the lights off sort of now, and then the flickering goes away, so it's obviously linked to the fluorescent tubes. So yeah, something to look at, but on the whole I'm pretty happy with everything, and very grateful to my mate who's allowing me to have some space in there. It's hopefully it's going to lead to some good stuff. So yeah, that's about it for this little sort of view of the new workshop. I'll do some more in there once I get things all set up. Okay. The new home wouldn't be home without my can of Coke for size comparisons. As always, stay happy, strong and healthy. Cheerio.